ดีค่ะ Hi everyone, let's make Thai stuffed omelette. Before we proceed, give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. This recipe is for 2 to 3 person, so if you want to take your omelette to another level, check out the full recipe in the description box below. Let's take a look at our ingredients. We have eggs, minced pork, pepper, coriander, tomato, sweet baby corn, spring onion, carrots, white onion, soy sauce, ketchup, oyster sauce, cooking oil, and salt. Let's get the chopping out of the way. I have my sweet baby corn and about this thickness. This is optional, but I'm using coriander leaves and I'm rough chopping it to use it as my garnish. From this point on, I'm just cutting my tomato, carrots, and white onion into cubes. Spring onion, skip down business.
Let's make our stuffing.
With any vegetable oil of choice on high heat, we're gonna put in our onion. And then you want to saute this until they are about 50% done, and then your pork is next. Turn down your heat a bit, and if it's looking too dry, which it will, add some water. We stir fry this until our pork is done and they smell nice. Stir in your baby corn and carrots. Put in our seasoning. This has to be done on low heat. If you feel that your carrot is done, you can then add your spring onion and tomato. All done. Now we are going to make our omelette. Firstly, put in some oil, any vegetable oil. Spread it evenly all over your wok or pan. Make sure your oil is extremely hot. There should be very little oil in the pan, just enough to lightly coat the wok or the pan.แม่พยายามอยู่ในที่เดียวนะถูกต้อง When your pan is looking like this, turn off the heat. And then your stuffing goes in. Wow, so colorful. Looks like a paradise. Sides.
เล็งช้าๆเบาๆแค่นั้นโอเค
So now let's cut this.
แล้วก็เปิด
One done.
ได้แล้ว
And And there you have it, our final look of Thai stuffed omelette. I proudly present my Thai stuffed omelette. This look divine, and let's dig in because I can't wait any longer. You could put chili sauce or ketchup all over on top. It's all up to you. First bite. Wow. The pepper, the ketchup, so sweet, but it's balanced. I love everything in here. The crunch of all the vegetable. This is so good. Give this one a try on a rainy day, on a hot day, any kind of day. This is perfect. This should definitely be paired with white rice. Give it a go. Honestly, this is so good. Give this video a like if you find it helpful. Share and subscribe to support me and to be notified when the next video is up. Until then, see you next time with a new Thai recipe. Bye bye!